What's going on, guys? Reaper here, and welcome to Reaper Declassified. So this is episode number 3 of turning a 1950 CJ3A into an Escalade. No, actually just a military M38 clone. But so today what we're going to work on is getting this tub off of the frame. So we've got a Reaper, we got a Father Time, and we got a Brother Jay. And I think between the three of us, we can get this done. Okay, so first things first, because somebody's already done this before, I got to bend part of the floor plate around the steering column to kind of help give us some movability around the tub to get it up and off. So here we go. Okay, anyway, it never fails. There's always one left over. Hand me. Get to it. Oh, never mind. I got it. Strength. You come lift up on this slightly. Ha! Got it? Yep.
Huzzah!
She is free. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and let the bolts get soaked in, and we're going to go ahead and check this tub out and see what the consensus is. Well,
That's salvageable.
Here's the thing about this, though. I don't know if this is entirely fully the original bed.
Yeah, you told me that.
Yeah, because
That looks like a cut-in piece.
this looks like somebody machined it out of something, had it placed in here. Because, I mean, if you remember Jeep tubs, they should have the bead rolls.
Yep.
But it looks like down here, yeah, it looks like they had cut out the original floor, had this made and put in. Yeah, so we're missing this whole part of the floor where you can see they put that panel in, and then this whole area where they had that other panel in. I think, depending on...
Fenders are good.
Honestly, as weird as it may sound,
That may be good too.
I think you can get a panel that comes from here all the way down to that part. Maybe salvageable, but I don't know if I really want to mess with trying to save all of this.
Yeah.
It may just not be worth it, because I think this is fully rotted out.
That's all Bondo.
And fiberglass, and then over here the same. And then up in here, yeah. Okay, so we just noticed something that I've never really actually noticed before. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's where the spark plugs go. And guess what? it's full of crud and water, and that means that probably the entire engine is full of water.
Saying how it's in your manifold?
So we'll get to that later. I'm not even going to think about that one right now. There she comes.
There's a starter. How's that starter gear look?
That's never that easy.
Waiting on you, Reaper.
Dick. Jack time. But we've got to take it from here 300 miles away. Just taking my 3.5-ton jack for a walk, you know?
Yeah.
Oh God.
Mistakes were made.
Shit.
I got it.
Tony, if you're seeing this, I am so sorry. Oh God. We're gonna cars is such hard work. Remember, that's never that easy.
Here's its head.
Apparently I'm married. Thank you. Sorry.
Get his new.
We have an arrival, and this is how you know we're related, because we literally pulled it the same way without even. That's just weird. Hi. He's my cameraman and my mechanic. Some muscles now. Okay, so this is where things get really freaking sexy. Technically, you should not do things this way. In fact, you should probably use an engine hoist, but we don't have one, and we're not in a position to borrow one right now. So we're gonna do things very, yeah, let's just watch. All right, homie.
Well, we've come to the end of the day and the motor is still in.
Partially, and you had a great idea.
Yeah.
It was a great idea.
Technically, it is unbolted.
Yeah.
Completely. It is separated from the vehicle.
It is that. That frame sucks and everything in the way really sucks, but
Wonder what was here.
anyway, it doesn't really matter. Anyway, man.
Big sweaty manly hug.
Yeah, give me a hug.
Embrace me. Anyway, guys, as you can see, He really is right. It's never that easy.
Try to go a little slow. Good? Yeah. All right, down.
How do your shoulders feel now, guys?
Ain't bad.
Round 2, and it actually freaking worked. Boom.
How heavy
Yeah! Fat Tonys are awesome.
you think it's?
Hi, Josh. I got it out with Reaper.
Yeah, dude! I know what you guys are probably thinking. I can't believe you guys tried to get the engine out that way, or why didn't you find a tree or something like that to hoist it out of? Well, finding a tree to hoist it out of really just wasn't an option, especially where it's sitting and just everything around here wise. We don't have anything that would have worked for that. Anyway, before I close this episode out, I just wanted to take a moment and say, it has been really fun, awesome, and great to have Father Time and Brother Jay helping me out with this rebuild and this project, because I think that's really kind of what it's really all about, honestly. Friends, family, just all of that, having a good time, because sometimes we get wrapped up in life and don't do stuff, and I can say for one thing, that's one thing Father Tom and I haven't been doing or hadn't done in a while, is working on projects and cars and stuff, and that's something that I just really love doing. And to be able to include them both and have them want to be included in it is amazing. I love it, guys. It is awesome. And with that said, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this episode as well. And I really hope to see you in the next one and future episodes on this build. Anyway, I'm on my way over to Brother Jay's to get myself a really nice, super decent cleaning and just kind of hang out and chill out for a while and relax, and then go home and cook and eat dinner and probably go to bed, because not only am I sunburnt, man, I'm tired. So until the next one, guys, remember, stay frosty, ride or die, Reaper out.